Hello guys, my name is Ankush. In our today's video, I will tell you how you can enroll yourself for the Oracle official website and Pearson VUE website. These are the two websites which are really required in order to take the Oracle certification. I have seen that there are many people they are facing to register themselves on these two official websites. So in this video I'll tell you the step by step how you can enroll to Oracle as well as Pearson VUE website. Okay, so let's go to my screen. Before going to my screen, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. So first of all, I am opening the browser and here you need to search with Oracle sign up. Once you search with the Oracle sign up, you can see the first link, and I will put this link into the description section so you can collect this link from there. So I'm opening this link and here you can see the first of all it is asking for the email address. So just mention the email address, then you need to specify the password. Okay, we will email a confirmation to you. So what does it mean? Once your account has been created, you will get the notification about that your account has been created. Now here you need to specify the password, the same email ID and the password that you need to use in order to log into oracle.com. So please remember your email ID as well as password. So I'm just putting some password. So the same password you need to confirm. I just done that. Now here you need to specify the country. If you are belonging from another country or wherever it is, you need to specify. Since I am belonging from India, I am just mentioning. Now it is asking you the name, so just mention the first name and the last name. Okay, so I'll just mention my last name. Here I am getting one error message that the password is not matching, so let me retype it. Job title. So there are many people, they are student or they are not at all working right now, they are fresher. So in that case you don't need to specify any job title. At that you can specify NA. Okay, that is fine, no one is going to verify it. If you are directly working with any company, you can specify your job title like senior project engineer or senior architect or whatever it is. Okay, but if you are not working with any company or you are just fresher, you can just specify NA. Work phone number, so I'm just keeping my number. Company, the same thing, if you are not working, keep NA. If you don't want to reveal or if you are directly working with any company, you can keep the, but at this point I'm just keeping it NA. Address also I'm keeping it as NA. City, Pune location. State, Maharashtra, and the zip code. Okay, so this is the basic information that you need to specify when you want to create the Oracle account. I got so many requests from different people and they want to know about Oracle creation, Oracle registration. So these are the details that you need to specify. Okay, and at the end you need to just click on the create account. Since I have already my account with me, I'm not going to click on create account. So this is how you can create the Oracle account. Now let's try to understand how you can register yourself on pearsonvue.com. Open the browser and here you need to just type Pearson VUE Oracle login. The first link you will get, just open it into the new tab, and here you can see the multiple options: sign in, create account. If you have already account with you, just like your user ID and the password, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are new to this pearsonvue.com, then you need to click on create account. So I'm just clicking on create account. First of all, you need to agree the terms and condition, so just check it and click on I agree. Now, do you know the Oracle testing ID? If you are the first time you are logging with this pearsonvue.com, you will not have the Oracle testing ID, so you don't need to mention. But if you have Oracle testing ID, you can check this. Since I don't have Oracle testing ID, so I'm saying like no, I don't have Oracle testing ID. Now it is asking you about the title, whether you are Mr., Mrs., whatever it is. Okay, so just type Mr. First name, I'm just giving my first name. Okay, then it is asking me the middle name, but this is not compulsory. If you don't want to specify the middle name, that's fine. You need to just specify first name and the last name. Don't keep any wrong information over here, because this is going to impact on your Oracle certification, because the time when you get the Oracle certification, same details will be reflected. So Ankush and my last name Thauri. Now it is asking whether you want to use the suffix for that, like your junior, senior. No, it is not a compulsory field. How to know whether it is a compulsory field? By using the star, because as I am not seeing any star over here, I am not going to specify any suffix. Now this is the email ID it is asking for. So if you just see the email ID, exam appointment confirmation will be sent from pearson.com, and your exam score report notification will be sent from Oracle email account. So what it is saying, when you have enrolled yourself for the exam, you will get the confirmation from here, and exam score you will get it from oracle.com, because it is just like a subsidiary for Oracle. Pearson will, is like that. Please ensure that your email account is valid and does not block emails from the two email domain, because if you are blocking it, definitely you will not see the error, you will not see the mail. So just click on the email, and here you need to specify the email ID. So you can just specify the same email ID which you put for the oracle.com. Just copy it and paste it. Now if you don't want to receive the Pearson VUE marketing email, that's fine, and click on next. We have found an account in our system that belongs to you. If you know the username password, click login. Why I'm getting this error message? Because I have already the account on pearsonvue.com with the same email ID. Okay, but if you are new to this website, which is pearsonvue.com, you will not see this kind of error message. So this is how you can just click on the register yourself on pearsonvue.com. Once the registration is successful, you will see the user ID and other details on your email. You will get the email confirmation, okay, on the same email ID which you mentioned. Once it is done, now what you can do, you can register, you can just log in yourself. So just go here and click on the sign in. The user ID details you will get it on your email. Just put the user ID and then password. So this is how you can register yourself and log in on oracle.com as well as pearsonvue.com. If you have any queries, please let me know into the comment section. Definitely I'll respond to you. And one more thing which I want to ask here, request here, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye for the day, and please stay tuned and learning yourself. Bye bye.